Good evening, Anderson. I thought I'd add a third part to this video that proves that Cleveland is not all factories and industrial waste. Look at this. Beautiful forest. A guy could trip out for a week here and never be bothered by anyone but maybe a woodchuck or a random bear that wants to eat a Jew for lunch. Om Sati Om. The point is, Cleveland can be bucolic, can be pastoral. Look at these trees, these colors. Majestic, all right? So, yes, I was kicked out of the factory for trespassing, and the construction workers tried to steamroll over me, cursing me and throwing empty beer cans at my head. But don't let my experience color your adventures, and definitely consider exploring the wonders of Cleveland.